What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we are on an adventure. We are back at the mountain bike park on the beach, ready for the second go around. I got more time, more battery, more confidence. We fucking getting it. Let's go. Oh, that's a big stump. We're getting close to 200 subscribers. Thank you everyone so far with the huge support. It's awesome. I'm just about to be vibing through here today. This seems like it might be the fun section. Graffiti Junction. We got that thing. This is huge. Oh, that's not that big. Nice. Technical feature. What's the technical? Let's go. Okay. Oh, sick. Look at that. We got lovely fishing line and cans. It's sick, yeah, we're around that side there. Champagne bottle over there. Fuck that. Oh man. Hell nah. Look at that sludge. The dispensary, I wonder why. Because it's all green? Hell no. And then we got this fucking thin double palm tree gap. One wrong move and you could be down a hill in the sludge. Hit the little jump. Hit this jump. Synchronized swimmers. Let's go this way. Single diamond. Oh, oh my. Getting a little more flowy going over this. Oh my god. We're still... Holy shit, that scared me. Let's take it easy on that. I'm gonna go over these jumps. Pants, shoes, shoulders, chest, pants, shoes. Mini rock wall. Oh jeez. For the camera not doing any good perspective, that's probably 15 feet below me. 10 minimum straight down. See these drops. Oh man, that's so big. No thanks. Oh, I haven't seen this one yet. Is this flooded? Oh my god, that siren scared the shit out of me. Whew. Siren scared the shit out of me. So these hard trails that I've been doing, Red Island, we can do it. Oh god, not that way. Oh shit. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh fuck. I won't take it for nothing. Damn, this one looks fucking hard. Let's... Come on, we hooking up, we hooking up. Nobody, I promise. Oh, my balls. Oh. Let's see if I can get over there. Oh no, that's definitely just more water. What are you doing? Get out of there. You too. Get on, Spider. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. Not sure how much battery I have left, but this was gnarly as hell. Hit a lot of black diamonds. Definitely got out of my comfort zone, so that's nice. The bike performed well. I gotta get some new tires soon. Almost down to the wear bars. But yeah, this is Mountain Bike Park by the Beach number 2. If you made it this far, thank you, much appreciated. But yeah, thanks. Go ahead and drop a little subscribe, pop a little like button down below if you enjoyed what you watched. It's probably a longer video, so I know not many people always make it to the end. Drop a comment muck down in the comments if you made it this far. You're the true OGs. Thanks for watching. Drop a little subscribe down below. Drop a little like button down below if you enjoyed this. Probably gonna have some more content coming from this place. It's pretty great. Once these swamps dry up, we'll be able to hit a lot more obstacles. That's it. Mountain Bike Park by the Beach number 2. Video over.